Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. Before we do first derivative for the both sides, we need to put the power 2 for the both sides in here to cancel about the square root. Later that we do first derivative. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. This one that is about cosx. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to b over 2, so we put this one cone here and we have u equals to the square root of number 2. So number 0 we change by number 1. This one we change by the square root of number 2. The square root we change by u. Cosx dx we change by 2u du. So this one we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put the bounds from number 1 to the square root of number 2. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.